Put it in reserve. Dangerous. So mad. I kept trying to get him to go out there. What's wrong? You want to ride the 50? I know. Kid never listens. Go, Brody! Chase is coming by. You can go follow him. Why not? Trying to teach Chase to stand up a little bit in the straightaways and then how to jump. This is a good beginner's course. We'll get Jackson out here soon. You can. First, you got to make sure you're in neutral.
Who's that too heavy?
Make sure you're in neutral. So on the shifter side, not kick it, like push it down. Hang on, I gotta put some air in the tire. I'm gonna break it. Just use your foot. Good job, buddy. Hey, give me 5. First time, you did good. Want to walk up here and look? Let's go up there and look for him, and you can get it all on camera.
No, Bruce Chase is
Look at you, cutie. Did you just ride a dirt bike for the first time? We're learning. Throttle. What are you doing?
I don't like it. It looked cool when it came in.
That other track? I'm gonna try to keep up with that kid on the 65. Come on, let's go watch 50. Your brother. We can't go out there together, okay? Come on, let's go watch. You haven't been out here to watch. You ready to go out there? What, Jax?
Boots are too heavy.
Boots are too heavy?